Yo, what's a couple of butterflies? Y'all already know it is. It's your girl KT and Bae. Passionate and happy 420's very own month. So as y'all can see what's finna happen, what's finna go down. If y'all watched the video, some videos back, how we did the Fruity Pebbles challenge. Now we bring to you the Cinnamon Toast Crunch challenge.
I look like this.
Well, you know. Anyways, though, so it's the Cinnamon Toast Crunch challenge. By that we got all things Cinnamon Toast Crunch, everything that I can really find in the store. It took me a minute to get everything, but we got it. We got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch milk. What is that? Cake mix.
Yep.
Cookies.
Pancakes.
Pancakes, cereal.
Oatmeal.
Breakfast bar, some remix stuff, popcorn, the center dust, coffee cake, and the frosting. We said milk. And the milk.
Milk was first.
But y'all know what we finna do. We got 8 minutes to complete our set. Our set is gonna consist of 2 pancakes, 2 cupcakes,
2 cookies.
2 cookies, a slice of coffee cake, milk. Don't matter how you use it, whether you drink it or you put it in your
1 cup of cereal.
Or your cereal. 1 cup of cereal each. 1 of these, a bag of these, and a bag of this remix stuff. So we got, is it 8 minutes? We got 8 minutes to complete our set. So we finna go ahead and get everything together on our plates. While we do that, y'all gonna like, comment, subscribe, share, y'all close dropping butterflies. Happy 420's month. Drop them presents and we finna go ahead and get it. Alright, y'all, so we back. So we got all our stuff. Oatmeal in here, cereal, these remix things, coffee cake, cookies, cupcakes, pancakes. Let's go ahead and pray first and then we're gonna get into it. Amen.
Amen.
Alright, so I can't even see the phone. The glare. They hit the start. Oh, okay. So
Start.
Ready?
Oh, we gotta get to the syrup.
Oh. And then it's no syrup, but they gave center dust. So I mixed the center dust that's supposed to go on one of these things. I think the pancakes. I mixed the center dust with syrup. So this is our center dust cinnamon toast syrup. So you ain't gotta do what I did, but I did it. What's the frosting open? So go ahead. Dang, they ain't phone them.
Locked on us.
Yeah, because I don't forgot.
And you gave me it.
I know, but I forgot. Alright, ready, set, go. Damn.
I don't know what to go
know
first.
to go for first either. Shit, I'm wasting time. This the frosting.
Oh!
What's the mean?
I didn't know the frosting.
Oh.
My bad, we need frosting. We need frosting.
Oh, no, that frosting hit.
It is?
Not good. I mean, that's alright. The milk. Oh, my spoon. I don't know about the oatmeal. I don't really eat oatmeal. Right? Oh, let me try some pancakes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Shit. I feel like I ain't touched nothing. That's in the dust. Coffee cake. You should have want that coffee cake back up. I don't know.
I had 2 bowls.
Oh, boom.
Yes.
Oh, man. Mm-hmm.
We got double cinnamon.
A lot.
The milk.
God damn, Alicia. Cookies hard as hell.
Y'all let it sit.
Oh, God.
I made them too thin.
Nah, I thought I took them out in enough time. Damn. I don't know, that cupcake though. Yeah, that frosted something. Something shit, something sweet. Yeah, that's probably your best bet. Yeah. Oh, shit. Damn. My damn back hurt already. Too much. She going in. Oh, you want to get on this? Damn. That's crazy. Baby, you damn near almost done. I don't even like oatmeal.
Y'all got popcorn.
Right?
Some mix. That mix will be good, though.
Ooh.
Take your cereal bar and put it in there. Like, break it apart and put it in your cup.
In the cereal bar?
Yeah. That's what I did at school when I used to eat them.
You tried already? Damn. Right. That frosting good.
The frosting is very good, but I can't give away my technique.
Would you eat two things at once, like a sandwich?
Mm-mm.
What's your technique? And if we had some ice cream. Damn. Hang that up. What else that?
Bestie?
Yeah, hang it up, hang it up. Yeah. So call my back. Right.
Oh my God, y'all, we're gonna lose 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Damn, that's crazy.
Y'all eat your mix.
We ain't did nothing.
Damn, Mom, I thought you'd do better than that.
She did. Oh.
Nah, her Fruity Pebble challenge? Yeah, I can hear you crunching.
So cool. I feel a stomachache coming on. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. The coffee cake was good. Cupcake. The pancakes are never good. Because they're just basic pancakes. Only thing I make the cereal wise is the stuff that you put on it. But it's just like basic pancakes. Oh shit. You got ate through my popcorn. Let me show you what you're doing. Throwing stuff away? You throwing stuff behind you? What you doing? Make. Why are you looking at my plate? Woo! Now we got 53 seconds left. That's a lot of chewing. Yeah. How much of your milk you drink? It's not cinnamon enough.
What?
The milk not cinnamon enough.
That is.
Chug, 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 chug.
My milk though. At least I finished one milk.
And the time is up, guys.
So
Let's go through what I accomplished. Half a bottle.
oh, half a bottle.
Half a bottle of milk. Cereals all gone. Just did not drink the milk. 2 pancakes gone. 2 cupcakes gone. My 2 slices of cake is still here. I bit off one.
That's a coffee cake.
Coffee cake. 2 cookies still here. I taste the oatmeal. And all my snacks are still here.
Got that. This left. This left. Me. My milk gone. I got like 2 spoons of cereal left. 1 pancake down. 1 cupcake down. I got a coffee cake down. I bit one of these cookies. I ate some popcorn and I still got these 2 left. Oh, and I still got a thing of oatmeal.
So y'all ain't like my cookies.
I mean, it was nice shape and small.
It's not that we didn't like it.
Knocking on the
My technique was
left me in too long.
Putting everything in, not talking, and trying to like stuff everything at one time.
Oh, when I was talking. I mean, I give it to you. You did your 2 pancakes.
But it actually tastes good. Oh my god, this was the technique really. Put this right here on it.
On the pancakes?
Yes. Oh my god, it's so good.
But like I said, the pancakes is like, if you don't put syrup on it or anything, it tastes just like a regular pancake. Only thing that makes it Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Lucky Charms or Fruity Pebbles is the stuff like the actual cereal that they give you to go on top. Other than that, it tastes like a basic pancake. The cupcake, which is the cake mix, real good. Definitely the frosting banging. The coffee cake is actually good. Y'all know the cereal, A1. The milk is good. The popcorn can have a little bit more cinnamon stuff on it.
I didn't even try that.
This is good. This is good to use on this actually the Cinnadust that comes in those it comes in the packages, but actually no, I can see the Cinnadust they got is actually darker. See, it's darker than this. But y'all can make this, put this on French toast or whatever, but y'all I think that's it for these type of challenges. I mean, they got Lucky Charms, but it's just the cake and the cereal and the oatmeal. That's 3 things. We can definitely do that in 5 minutes.
This is too much food at one time.
It's a lot, but it was fun doing it
at one time. Because the Fruity Pebbles had...
That was a lot of sweet.
The sweet Fruity Pebbles. Then it had the Fruity Pebbles syrup. Now this here...
I mean, but
I don't eat coffee cake. It's my probably 2nd time trying coffee cake.
But this coffee cake is actually good because it gives you a little crumb stuff to go on top of it, and the inside have the little Cinnamon Toast Crunch stuff thing like that. But
see, this not that bad.
You can't really taste the Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
But see, I'm so used to almond milk or regular milk. What if it's sweetened? I don't want it. It's like too sweet.
But y'all, it was fun. If y'all feel y'all can do better than us in 8 minutes, like finish all y'all sets. 2 pancakes. 2 cupcakes or 2 slices of cake, 2 coffee cakes or slices of coffee cake small, 2 cookies, thing of milk, cereal, oatmeal, breakfast bar, remix thing, and popcorn. If y'all can do all of that in 8 minutes, you know, y'all go ahead and have fun with it. Do it how y'all want. Again, happy 420's very own month. Y'all know. what that is. So let's see. Who y'all think won?
I'm gonna say this. You taste more of your items than I did.
Yeah, you were. I taste everything. I even ate some cookie.
I completed one set of pancakes
and
my cupcakes and my cereal.
Oh, well, you right. You completed 3 whole sets. Me, I only Shit, I ain't complete. On the whole set, I completed with the milk.
And not even the cereal. I won.
My thing is Fruity Pebbles.
That's why I was over here doing like this.
I tell Fruity Pebbles up all day. You know what I'm saying? I did win that challenge, didn't I? I think I won that Fruity Pebbles challenge. I won it.
Yeah.
But I think this one had more stuff than... This one had way more stuff than the Fruity Pebbles, didn't it?
Yeah.
It had way more stuff. But, again, it was really fun for 420 very own month. Y'all stick around. Can't wait for the next video. Of course, they drop it at 4:20 p.m. So, of course, cut the bell notifications on. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all drop them clovers in the bottom. Y'all think I won? Or them butterflies. Y'all think she won? In the comments. But anyway, though, we out.
I won.